Subadra, the Fed says it is prepared to adjust its balance sheet normalization. What does that mean to you?
Well, I think that they've already said that they're going to be flexible on balance sheet going forward. So to me, it means probably that they're thinking about maybe paring back the runoffs a lot sooner than the market's expecting.
Tom?
I look at this, Laura. We see markets moving. I see a weaker dollar as well. There has to be some surprise here. What is the surprise that we saw in the comments from Michael?
I think that maybe the paring back of forward guidance was more aggressive than the market expected.
This is critical. Have we pared our way back to data dependency?
I think that forward guidance in the statement is almost dead. It's out. Yeah. I mean, the Fed said adjustments, not increases. So, I mean, it could go up, it could go down. It's data dependent.
But on a history basis, are we back to Greenspan? Are we back to Arthur Burns? Are we back to William McChesney Martin? Is it a new Fed looking back generations, or is there a whole new calculus here?
I think the Fed has simplified its communication and is emphasizing that it is purely data dependent in this new outlook, and that it's SEP forecasts.
Right.
These are take it with a grain of salt.
Michael McKee, your observation here, I think it's really important right now. I mean, is this how we get to curve flattening, Michael?
Well, Tom, it may be, although in the Fed saying that they would be willing to cut rates, that's the implication in the change in the statement. You probably are going to see the curve steepen a little bit, I would imagine. The issue going forward here is the outlook for the economy, and on that basis, the Fed still sees strong economy ahead. So they're suggesting that we are flexible. There's no forward guidance on what we're going to do with rates, but we're not really worried. They're trying to balance this idea of becoming a little bit more dovish in their forward guidance, or as Laura says, no more forward guidance, with the idea that don't worry, we don't see something you don't. The economy is still running at a healthy clip.